let's check that there. Alright, only a couple hours to go to have this finished. Doesn't have to be finished, obviously. I can update it and continue to like smooth it out. But basically, I just wanted to get the base completed. You know, a working demo. If I get a working demo in 7 days, I'm happy. From beginning to completion. Okay. So I feel like we're gonna get some core game mechanics down a bit, and if we can do that, then I think we can continue. First of all, let's just make some chunks because I'm gonna need some chunks. This is the chunk we're gonna make. It's 3, 4. Ooh, no. It's just gonna be like Legos, really, isn't it? Aha. Okay. We want some sidewalks. Is that 90? That looks like 90 to me. Whoops. It's not the one I wanted. That's the one I wanted. It's you. You're out of place. Dick. Alrighty, so we'll have one chunk. I did turn these into nanites. So they should work completely fine as they are right now. So I might just leave them as little chunks like this. So if I come here and we go to chunks, I didn't really set one up. So I don't know why I did that. You can stay like that because I was thinking about whether or not I'm going to combine these into meshes, which still might be a good idea. I'm not gonna lie. I should maybe I will do that. Yeah, it'll give me a bit more touchy control. But I'm gonna make them. Every mesh I make is always going to be the bottom left here. Alright, tools, merge actors. We don't want to replace. So merge, we're going to game files, actors, word chunks. Let's just make this world chunk what about the chunk? Let's straight road, 2 lanes. Excellent. Yeah, that's pretty much what I had. Alrighty. So now what we want is we want one that is all just like footpaths. So I think, yeah, let's go back to you and let's just find a footpath. Alright, excellent. Excellent. That'll do. Build, tools, merge. And we're just gonna make you actors, word chunks. Maybe just concrete. Alright, excellent. Now, if we go to this one, we might want to, we're going to have a chunk, because I do believe, I think there's like a construction work chunk. There you are. I saw you. Alright, so make this a new chunk. Tools, merge actors. Chunk. Straight road, 2 lane. Straight road, 2 lane, work. Construction. Excellent. Okay, so I think we need like a corner now. Or an let's make an intersection. 4-way intersection. So we'll just save that for now. So we're gonna do an intersection. Let's get you. Three, 4. I mean, it was pretty close. Okay, so we need a middle chunk. Wait, what? Did I mess up? Where's my lines? There's gotta be lines here. I mean, it's looking alright so far. chunk inter. How do you suppose intersection? Of course, it's an S. Intersection 2 lanes. Alright. Now we can make an intersection in 1 lane. Intersection 2 lane 3-way intersection 2 lane. That one can just stay as is. Did I merge it? I'm pretty sure I did. Alrighty. I might make like an endless loop, which is these bad boys. Alright, so that's all I should need for. I'm gonna leave this here. You can't see it from the main menu. You can't see it's right there. That's why there's a big chunk missing here, and I don't care because you can't find it from here. You won't see it. You can't move beyond here. Yeah. You're stuck in there. All right, so let's make a game files, maps. Open world. Maybe we just go basic. It really is basic. Since you can't see the sky, does it really matter if we have a skybox? I don't think it does. Oh my god. I know what you are. You gotta refresh the nodes every goddamn time. Yeah, see? It doesn't look too dark, it doesn't look too bad. So, we really don't need to worry about that. But what's important is the only thing is, I wonder if I get too far away. Map. I haven't made this a yeah. Let's just set it up and we'll see if it breaks if I just keep running, you know? Because I feel like eventually if you just keep running, it's gonna break. Unless I force it to like loop around. Like eventually it'll turn and then come back around and then turn and come back around. so let's make a how are we gonna make this work? How are we gonna make this work? So we're gonna need this. We're gonna have one chunk to begin with. Nope, we're gonna have like two chunks. Actors, world chunks. Endless chunks. So endless world chunk. Let's grab our world chunks. Okay, so let's start it in an intersection, not three-way, the four-way. So actually, let's have a. So we've got the street road intersection. Endless chunk. Yeah. So we've got endless world chunk. Let's make this. Starting endless world chunk. So the map starts in this chunk. And we don't need that anymore. So the map will start in this chunk. Oh, I was. Yeah, I can't wander too far because if I do wander too far, then eventually the nav mesh is going to break. Unless. Can you come with your own nav mesh? Nav link. I think a modifier is just like, hey, you can't really. This is like yeah. So was I. Obstacle. No other path exists. Yeah, that's more for like obstacles and things like that, which we might add those eventually. Let's chuck in a nav. We're gonna stress test this. Let's see how far it can go. I think generally if you have an endless thing, the way it works is the background usually moves. Like your character doesn't, you like this does. And so technically you aren't actually moving this. It's just that everything else is. That's generally how the endless things run. Come back, you. Okay. We could have like checkpoints. For the record, the nav mesh is going to be like 10,000. Let's make like one. Okay, so it's pretty big. It's pretty big. So now that we've got that, I've done this before where I set up as you move it just generates more and more. But it was always with a limit to it, you know? So it didn't matter. Since this is just going to go forever. I mean, obviously the easy way to do it would just be add like a collision box here, and as you touch it, bam, 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 it spawns more with like a random whatever's. How am I going to do this? I'm thinking like we could have edge chunks. So if you hit the edge, either it could teleport you to the other side so that it feels seamless. But the only thing is that if you're being attacked by a bunch of enemies, it would teleport you and all those enemies. But if another enemy, like let's say you're on the edge of a chunk, I think you would notice a bunch of the enemies in a chunk nearby would disappear. That would be the issue with that. Let's just stress test it and see what happens. We'll leave you here like this. Yeah. So that's where we start off. Since it's like each individual chunk, I might want to spawn a few chunks down. Because I say if I spawn in here like this, you can see the entire chunk. You know what I mean? So you may want to have more chunks spawning either direction. But that's how we're gonna do it. Yeah. We're gonna have multiple chunks. Like, yeah, it spawns in the chunk, but it will also spawn in more chunks on the side of those chunks. You know what I mean? Yeah, fair enough, you're done. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna spawn in you. And with the two lanes, we've got a world chunks. We'll make this a... No, it's not. It's a straight line. Yes. Oh. So that's why it's like important that I didn't fuck up the thing I fucked up. So we're gonna have to go back and fix that. So I know, I think I know what I'm gonna do now, but I'm pretty sure it's what I did the last time. So I literally, the first one I made, I was like, okay, we can't, I need to click this one and not fuck it up. And then I immediately went and didn't click it and fucked it all up. Okay, so I need to check what ones are broken and what ones aren't. So world chunks. Okay, so you're busted, so I'll make a new one of you. Just go tools, merge. Yep, merge game files. Should be 2U, 3-way. Yeah, yes, I do want to replace you. Okay, so now wait, why? You should be in the corner, right? Yes, I did you properly. Why are you broken? Alright, let's just delete it and start again. So if I move you, wait, three-way. Yeah, see, that's fine. That's, how come I had two three-ways? Alright, so the straight road, you shouldn't be busted. You were the original. The original. I was pretty sure I didn't fuck you up. Okay, so the pivot point. Oh. Yeah, okay, so that's gonna be annoying. The pivot point's gonna be off on them all. Alright, so let's get all of you out. And we can try and make it as close to 0 as possible. Maybe we can just change the alignments. Okay, so you're like there, you're there. Almost all of you are aligned except for you. I don't know why you're so different. You really shouldn't be. Yeah, I don't think the alignment's actually going to be that. It shouldn't be off. Yeah, why do I have two of these? Oh yeah, because of the construction. Yeah, yep. Alright, that makes sense. Alright, let's delete you. Okay, so they're fine. I just got to fix the four-way in the construction. Okay, that's fine. We can do that. Before we do that, game files, actors, word chunks, straight road, construction, and the intersection. Random straight chunk, what? Where? You? No. Where do you even exist in here? You don't exist in here. Why are you lying to me? Yes. I don't know, I'm confused. So we've got the anyway, back to what I was doing. Let's grab you. Bam, 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 bam. And we will say merge actors. Oh wait, it was fine, wasn't it? For the straight road. Yeah, it was. Yeah, this was fine. Yeah, so we don't need to do that. The issue was the construction zone. So let's go merge actors, merge chunk actors, word chunks. Okay, so we're gonna go chunk, straight road, 2-lane construction. And if I pull it out, it should be there. Indeedy doos. Okay, so now I need the 4-way intersection. Let's see what we get if I just swap you out. Some of you have to line up. Not a single one of you had to line up. Fair enough. Fair enough, we can do it the hard way. Merge actors, game files, actors, chunk, 4-way intersection, 2-lane. Let's make like an alleyway pop off. Sure, we'll just do that. very wide, wouldn't it? Oh yeah, you're not supposed to be. Yeah, deleted the wrong one. Yeah, I have it facing the wrong way. Okay. We'll say projectors. Let's make this one a maps. No, actors, world chunks, chunk, intersection, 2 lane to 1 lane. Could be like an alleyway, you know? Yeah. And now we're gonna need like we're gonna need a 1 laner now. Should be fine. All we're gonna do is take you bad boys, swap you. Grab you. You're off, so you need to be here. 3? Nope. Yeah, just a bare road. That's all we want. Okay, excellent. So tools, merge. Straight road, 1 lane. Whoops. Okay. Let's have like a 1 lane like this, but turn into like a car park. So I think it would be, we'll have it about here. And then this would have to, nope. How would you do this? Ah, like that, right? Yeah, I guess like that. We could make 2. We'll have because that's all it is, yeah? Yeah. Parking lines. Oh, yeah. I guess there's parking lines. Where's the parking lines? Okay, so we'll have a chunk going into like parking. chunk, we'll say like say 1 lane to parking. Then we can go 1 parking to 1 lane. Which could just be this, but like flipped, right? I don't think we need to even where straight road, lane to parking. Okay, so let's say we have this and we need to turn this. We can just grab you, slap you there, and then say like -1 and slap you on the end, and then bam, we got a full car park. But I might have one just in case I want like an extended park, like car park. We'll just say car park. Okay, so we've got a car park. We might have. Is there anything else we should make? I should probably have a bend, like a corner. I need 2. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think 4 is still good. Wait. I need it like on the end, you know? There we go. There's my boy. Two lane turn, and let's just get a 1 lane turn. I've already got all this. So I might just get rid of you guys, bring all of you forward. Alright, you lined up. Yep. That'll do. Okay, let's say turn left, turn right. Wait. It'd be you. You'd be a corner. Corner. Where's my corner? You. Where are you? Actually, it should be you, shouldn't it? Yeah, you don't really have a corner piece. Alright. I've got you though. Alright, so we'll merge you. Alright, I feel like that'll do for now. Again, we can add more later, but for now, I think that this can do. Okay, so we go to the game files, maps, endless row map. It was you. You were the problem. Okay, so this actors, world chunks. this chunk is starting. Yeah, this is the starting chunk. So it's going to start within a four-way intersection. So what I have to do now is as long as this is always at a 0, I think we should be fine. And if we work this way out, so what I'm gonna do is let's get some more chunks. We're gonna get a straight road. Car park. So there we are, and these chunks here are always just going to be concrete slabs. Instead of concrete, what I'm going to do, I might spawn them as actors. Yeah, it would be better if this is all spawned as actors. So in these chunks, we're going to make some actors, and they're going to be concrete buildings chunk actors. Okay, so this is just going to be a slab of concrete, first and foremost. Slap you down. I think we'll have the default scene route there. And that way we can never really mess it up. Yeah, anyways. So what we're going to add to this is we're going to come to the city thingies, and we just need to fill this out. Polygon city, and then let's go to like meshes. Buildings. We have so much choices, and I don't like choices. This looks like since there's a door on every section, it'd make a good corner piece. It looks like we get 2 buildings, unless yeah, you're gonna mess that up a bit, aren't you? So how am I gonna have this randomly generated? I could have like the buildings be separate and then just set the meshes. It's one way. It's like 3 meshes per lot. They go slightly over. No, they fit perfectly. So that's one thing we could do. You look like a different size. Yeah, you're the size of 2. Got the station. Large roof. And these are all like interchangeable, I think, for the most part, which is amazing. This is gonna make my job so much easier. So what rooftops do they have? The best part is you don't see them overlapping. They're overlapping, but you don't see them overlapping. So we've got a lot of not really optimization, but customization that we can do here. We can make it look a lot nicer once we polish it up a bit. But for now, I really do just want to get the bare minimum out. Office square. How big are you? Big enough to not really fit in my chunk, huh? Office square should go on a corner, I think. Office square should be a corner boy. Alright, so what am I working on right now? What am I... You're gonna be... straight concrete. Let's go corner concrete. And the corner concrete I just realized... No, you're fine. You're fine. I thought I'd made a mistake. Corner. Oh. That's fine. No. We're gonna have you on the corner, my friend. Maybe like there. Might be a bit big for now. Let's say building. But if I go blueprint to do corner shops. Okay, so what I want is we're gonna get the concrete. We'll start with you again. Ciao. And nope. Close you. So when we get the corners, I think what we're gonna do is we'll do the same. I should have just, yeah, let's go back to you. Let's get rid of you. Straight corner shops. Alright. Straight corner shops. Straight shops. Did I say corner shops? Straight concrete shops. Yep, that's fine. So what we're going to do is we will delete one of you and turn you into the corner. Actually, let's not delete you. Let's move you. Is that not a corner apartment? That's a shame. I think there would have been a corner for them. But that's alright, I can stay like that. It would just look like this, and then we can continue. Until I realize Okay, so they have to go slightly over. Oh wait, I can just steal your. Did I not move you? Yeah, it's basically zeros. Okay, so let's get some of these shades. We'll see if we can put them on or not. Where did that even go on? Oh, yeah, it's because of that. Okay. Also, I saw something. There you are, you bastard. Trying to hide from me. I don't even know what that is. Alright, so we'll give them some mustache. But I think another thing we will do is 3, 4, bam. you the other shock covers. Please don't crash. As long as I line up inside the chunk, I can do whatever changes I want, and it should always work out. Alright, you did your thing. Excellent. Okay. So, let's line you bad boys up. And what we're going to do is, I just want to see if this works. I mean, I would say they kind of line up. They line up enough that they could be the same. Alright, that'll do. Let's get some logic. Static mesh. Second story meshes. We'll make that an array. First floor meshes. And obviously roof meshes. Roof meshes. Alright. So one thing we are also going to do is I'm going to have building one cover. Building one cover, and this is just going to be an integer. We're going to do that for each of you. Okay, so let's say on, let's not even do, we'll do it on construction, that way I can see it as I move it, you know, test it around just by going. Okay, so on construction, let's bottom, shop 1. Shop 1, mid, middle. Shop 1, roof. You know what I might do? Let's just slap these together so I can keep track of them. But also, shop 1, cover 1. Shop 1, cover 2, which is a problem. Shop 1, bottom. Okay, so let's grab all of you, slap you on shop 1, bottom. Let's grab the children first, shop 1, bottom. And then we'll grab you, shop 1. Alright, so now we can close shop 1. Shop 2, bottom. You will be 2, middle. Shop 2, roof. Shop 2, cover 1. Shop 2, cover 2. Alright, on to shop 3. Shop 3, bottom. Shop 3, cover 1. Where's shop 3, bottom? Shop 3, cover 2. Shop 3, middle. Shop 3, roof. And obviously we just do the last with you two. Shop 3, bottom. Shop 4, bottom. Shop 4, middle. Slap you on there. Shop 4, roof. Slap you on you. Shop 4, cover 1. Obviously the last one will be shop 4, cover 2. And obviously that's chunk. Okay, so we're gonna get we need all of the single store meshes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's only 5. We've got a corner so they can stay. Yes. Pick from one of those. Second store meshes, we'll do the same. I do wonder, can I swap you out with like something like you? No. I could swap one of you for 2 of you. That'll be the next one, I think. Ooh. I have a... okay. I mean, I could swap you for those. And I think they would be high up enough that you might not even see them. So if I swap that, that might be fine. But I mean, yeah. We'll say second story meshes, just slap you in there. And obviously the roof meshes will just be 1, 2, 3, 4, and those are the corners. Wait, 14? Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Alright, so that should already start swapping around in a moment. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to say set static mesh. Random one of you. And we're just going to do the same for all of you. Let's just get some randomization going on. So that'll be fine, but we're just gonna go shop 4 bottom, shop 3 bottom, shop 2 bottom. So for the second round, come through, and we're going to do the same, but with the middle. Shop 2 middle. Let's just go. I want to keep it in order. Shop 1 middle. Shop 2 middle. Shop 3 middle. And shop 4 middle. Alright, round 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so round 3 will be the roof. Where's shop 1? Shop 1 roof. Shop 2 roof. Shop 3 roof. shop 4. Roof. Now obviously we go roof, we go second story. Okay, middle, roof, roof. Alright, excellent. Now, for the last one, we're gonna say building 1 cover. Let's say random integer in range from alright, let's do it this way. 0 to 2. Now we will switch on integer. No default. Alright. And we're gonna go this way. I wanna go this way. Okay, so we're gonna start with shop 1. So we'll get cover 2, cover 1. If it's 0, then we'll set visibility. You can see it. For you, let's just destroy you. I mean, you serve no purpose if you don't get chosen. So, bam, you're gone. Alright, whoops. Alright, so bam, you're destroyed. Also, we don't need to see, we don't need to change anything. Oh. For testing purposes, that could be a problem. But let's just say I think I do want the destroy, but it would be easier for testing to do it this way. See, you're visible, you're not visible. Okay, so if we do number 2, you're not visible, but you're visible, and we set static mesh. And you will be if you're A, and you go and if you're B, you're that. Target you. Alright. So now we just go 1, 2, 3. Because no matter what you do, we're going down to the next one. Yep, okay, so that's shop 1, this will be shop 2. Cover 1, cover 1, cover 1, cover 2, cover 2, cover 2. cover 1. Oh, wait, shop 3. Shop 3, cover 1. Cover 1. Cover 1. Shop 1, cover 2. Shop 3, cover 2. Cover 2. And you should be shop 4, cover 1. Cover 1. Cover 1. Cover 2. Cover 2. Cover 2. And I think I done made a mistake on number 1. Number 1, cover 1. Cover 1. Cover 1. Alright. So now if I bring out one of these chunks, characters, let's go actors, world chunks, concrete shops. You can see it automating, like changing. Every time it gets made, it will look a little different. But also, I want to do one more because I don't always want to have a cover. So let's take it one step further. Okay, so let's just say random. Random boolean, and this is for shop number 1. So we'll just grab these. And we'll say, if it's true, then both of you don't exist. And then you go on to the next round. Now we can bring you down. Alright. If you're false, oh wait. I'm gonna bring you up here. And if you're false, you go in there. Alright, so next round. False. Final round. Also, that's true. Oh wait, yeah. If you're true, then we go to the next round, right? True, we go straight through. And true, we end it there. Okay, now, sometimes we don't even get a thingy. Oh, wait. Why have you got both? You have both too. A mistake has been made. But where? Two. Cover two, cover two, cover two. shouldn't be any instance where that is happening. I'm not seeing where it happened. But it's looking like it's pretty common actually. Okay, if we ignore you and then we slap all of you down here, I just want to see if it's an issue with the new thing because I didn't see it happening earlier. Yeah, it wasn't happening earlier. Okay, so the issue has to be these being set after this is being set. Oh, shop one cover. Yep. Never mind. I see the error. Okay. So shop one, shop cover one, shop two cover one, shop two cover two, shop three cover one, shop three cover two, shop four cover two. Alright. Yep. It picks and chooses. Like sometimes we get no covers, sometimes we get a cover. It'll swap which cover we get. Different storefronts. Amazing. Okay. Now to do all the same on the corner shops. Alright. Shop one, bottom. Alright, excellent. Wait, apartment corner? Are you a corner? What do you mean corner? You're not a corner. Alright. Shop one, middle. also haven't added the thingies. So I might go add some thingies. Why are you so off? Is it because you're a child? Where'd it go? There you are. Also, yeah, I should add that. I think I will. I'll go back and I'll add that right now. It's basically, it's exactly the same, but it should now be 4. Cover 1. So we'll go to you, and we'll just say, hey, it's either you or it's you. I just realized there's another cover. Okay. You look like one of these covers though, yeah? No? Where'd you go? Oh, yeah, 100% you are one of those. Alright. I see how it is. You're now a 5. I can't complain, this is just gonna make it look more and more unique every time. Just more tedious. Cover 2. Okay, so I think that's fine. Cover 4. Let's bring you guys down. Yep. Cover 1. No, you're cover 2. Slap you in there. Slap you in there. I think 2 out of the 4 are good to go. Four. Slap you in there. You're going to be cover 1. Cover 1. Okay. Alrighty, how do you look? get the corner done. Once we do the corner, then okay, I don't know. I was adding covers, wasn't I? Oh, wait. Corner. Let's see I'm not missing anything. I mean, I can't even see the one that I just had, so yeah, you're not considered a corner. All right. We'll just add an extra one, I suppose. Okay, so let's get one of the cover pieces. Yeah, I think that distance will do. Just quickly double check. Yep. Yep. Alright, that's fine. Can bring it out a bit. I think that'll do. It does look a bit low though, doesn't it? Nah, it's fine. Alright, so let's go through the corner shop. Okay, let's make some static meshes. Let's just say bottom meshes. Static mesh, make it an array. Middle meshes, roof meshes. Let's say cover 1 meshes, 2 meshes, corner meshes, bottom corner meshes, because we don't really have any other meshes for the corners, so that'll be it. Okay, so with the bottom corners, we've got 2 bottom shops. Slap you boys in there. Cover mesh is 1. Take your pick. Cover mesh is 1 again, because I meant 1 earlier. I meant 2 earlier. The roof meshes. Let's go with 1, 2, 3, 4. But roof corner meshes. Compile, clear that out, and then we'll just chuck in U. But I need to make sure that it's correct, because it is not. Middle roof. Okay, so middle meshes, just gonna be all of you. Oh, actually, I may have made a mistake earlier. If I go 8 with the first floor meshes. Is it 5? No, it's middle. Second story meshes. 10. Okay. So delete you and delete you. We're going to come here and we're going to add those to the bottom. Go apartment door, apartment door. But we will also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also add you guys. Yeah. And then we'll come back here and we're gonna add you to the bottom. First floor meshes. Apartment door, apartment door. Okay. Okay, so let's get the logic going. We are going to do it in construct. Okay, back to what I was doing earlier. So the bottom shop 1 roof. Shop 1 cover 1. Shop 1 cover 2. Shop 2 bottom. it's important to don't mess up covers between cover 1 and cover 2. Corner shot 3, bottom. It is shot number 3, but it's a corner shot. Just writing myself a reminder. Middle. Three, roof. Corner shot 3, cover 2, 2, 1. Corner shot 3, cover 2, 2. Corner shot cover 1. Alright, so I think that's all I need for that one. Okay, so you should be nope. Shot 4, middle. Oh, I didn't add the covers. Cover 1, yep, that's fine. These look a bit low, actually. I think I should lift them all up. Shot 4, bottom. Shot 4, roof. Shot 5, bottom. Shot 5, middle. 2. Shop 5 roof. Bottom, middle, roof, cover 2. Cover 1, cover 2. Alright, I think everything is handled now. So, on construction. Now we're gonna go through all this nonsense. Okay, so start with shop number 1. Set static mesh, get bottom meshes. I think we'll just set it up the same way. And there are 5 shops, aren't there? Okay, so we've got bottom shop 4, shop 2, shop 5, shop 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done. Now the difference is going to be shop 3, which is using bottom corner meshes instead. Okay, yep. Alright, excellent. Now come down here. And we'll do the same with the middles. Middles. Do the same with you. Wait, the middle didn't really matter, did it? Yeah, the middle didn't actually matter. It was always the same, so that one can be fine. Instead of middles, it's going to be middle meshes. Then we'll do the same here. But you do get your own. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will just be the roof meshes, and you'll be roof corner meshes. Alright, so once we're done with this, we will go to stage 2. And stage 2 should be a bit easier now. Random boolean. We're basically just going to do the same. Yeah, we're gonna make at least one difference. Yeah. Okay, so slap you in there. Also, I gotta go through here. Okay, so shop 1 middle. Shop 4 middle. Shop 2 middle. Shop 5 middle. And shop 3 middle. 2 middle, 2, 2, 2, okay. And now we need the roofs. Shop 5 roof. Two roof. One roof. And we need 4 roof. 1, 2, 3, 4, all roof. Alright, excellent. So once you finish that, come through and we'll say random. We'll do 2 randoms. So the first one's whether or not we even have one. So we're going to go cover 1 meshes. Nope. Okay, so we'll start with shop 1. Shop 1, cover 1. Hold up. That's where we start. Okay, set visibility. Yep. So I'm getting confused. Okay. So if you're visible, cover 1 meshes. If it's true, then we do the same. But we say you, and we'll go cover 2 meshes, and we'll set you to set you. Alright, excellent. And false will just be we don't have any. Yeah, that's how we're going to handle it moving forward. Alrighty. Bam. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so coming to the next door, shop 2, close you. Shop 2, cover 1. Shop 2, why don't they stay closed? It'll make it so much easier. Shop 2, cover 1. Shop 2, cover 2. Shop 2, cover 2. Shop 2, cover 2. I think that's all I need to change, right? Like, it should all be the same, it's just, yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, that's all we have to change, actually. This is a much more efficient system than the last one. Okay. Alright, shop number 3, where you at? Okay, this one is actually a bit different. Because you have a 3rd one, don't you? So I think the way I'm going to handle this one is cover 2, 2. Cover 2, 1. Because actually, yeah. If we have cover 1, then we can't have either of the 2 2s. So if we pick Comp 3, cover 1. Okay, so we've got cover 1, cover 1, cover 1. So if we go 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. But if we have 1 at all, and also we're not setting the static mesh, so it's purely a visibility thing. Wait, you should be visible, you should be invisible, you should be visible, you should be invisible. That's how we're going to handle that. Alright, so if you're not visible, then I need to check. Okay, so we're going to have a 2, 2, but are we going to have a 2? We'll do one more check for you. And we will say, again, random. And we will go this one should be cover 2 meshes. Yep, because we're deciding on cover 2 meshes. If it's false, blah blah blah. Set static mesh. Do the same with you. And then we'll go on to shop 5. Both of you are invisible, that's fine. And if we don't have any covers at all, one more random. And this will be 2, 1. Let's say that's the true result. Oh wait, we're doing it down here. Are we doing it down here? Yeah, we are. So we can skip this and we can set it down here. That's the true result, so the false will be you. There we go. There we go. And now we can continue. So chuck you there, chuck you there. There should be one more. There you go. Come here. And we're gonna go to shop number 4. Shop 4, cover 2. Shop 4, cover 2. Shop 4, cover 2. Shop 4, cover 1. Shop 4, cover 1. Same thing with shop 5. Cover 1. Cover 1. Cover 1. Cover 2. Cover 2. Cover 2. And just for the sake of testing, let's type in a corner over here, just to make sure I don't have any errors somewhere. Actors, world chunks, corner shops. It does feel a bit far from the road, doesn't it? I think that's fine. Let's replace you with like a I don't really see any issues. Pretty much I'm just going to spawn the chunks in. It should randomize the shops over here. I can't walk this building. Yeah, they got collision. We are gonna add like another. I might not do it tonight. I'll add it in like the next update, but the next random faction randomization I can add is like adding chairs and maybe trees, things like that, into the front of the stores. So when they pop in, have we got what sort of props do I have that I can sort of randomize into this? Yeah, we'll go city meshes. Let's go props. So we can sort of like randomize popping ATMs in. Maybe fire hydrants. Maybe have it spawn in like a little something like that every now and then. You know, have a chair pop in. One thing I want to check up would be, let's add a mesh. It doesn't look like the doors are super consistent with where they are. I mean, the doors on the corner are. But these ones aren't so much. Okay, so with the corner shops, we're going to add some spawn points. Where's, let's just say blue. Pop it up. Yeah, I think it's pretty fine to add one there. just add some spawn points to each of these where the doorways would more or less be. I thought I removed you. Middle floor, second story meshes. You actually have them too. Let's go to the bottom and find all of the apartment doors. Delete, delete. Let's go find those apartment doors. We're gonna add them all. So we've got door, 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 door. Alright, add you in to the bottom. And you, first floor. Delete, delete. There you go. So now the zombies can spawn from the buildings. Reload. Oh, that wasn't good. I got my ass kicked by the first zombie. It only spawns one zombie, that's right. I set that up for testing. Okay, so I kind of have this working in a not amazing but a good enough manner for now. So I think what I'll do is focus on combat a bit. More importantly, let's focus on the player's ability to defend themselves and restock themselves and things like that. So let's go to the gameplay HUD because I want to make some changes to this bad boy. First change is basically how this all looks and feels. So I'm going to have two buttons on the side. And if I have like support over here and because I'm thinking instead of support, yeah, button 3. Support menu button. That's what that's going to be. This one, okay, you can be the reload button, but you're going to be moved. This button is going to become the Maybe throwables button. You guys, I might move there. Support, you're going to move to about there. Yeah, reload, get out of the way. Okay, so throwables button. You're going to go down here. Maybe heal button I'll chuck on the support. So let's go horizontal box. I'm gonna bring that out a bit. Throwables. Heal. Okay, you my access throwables button. You're getting, let's say this horizontal box is the throwables horizontal, and we're gonna have you all the way out there like that. Okay. So the healing one, like I said, we're going to have you on the support. Shoot, you are not shoot, you are reset save. And you are going to always exist so long as testing is going to be happening. So you go over there on your own. No, that's where the joystick is. You come up here in the top corner. So all these bad boys are going to act like a little heal button, maybe. I'm going to make a new button in the user interface. This is going to be the throwables button. Maybe I should change the name. Instead of throwables, maybe I'll just use like support button, and all it does is spawn the support that you're gonna throw. Yeah. That's what we're doing. Support button, you exist. You're going to need a few things. First of all, you exist on a horizontal box. Second of all, you are basically just a button. Maybe I can whatever. It's more if I had a if I add a, let's see, I think it's a border. Damn it, where is the horizontal box? I think it might be in here. fill screen. Whatever. We just have view and a text for now. I'll make it look pretty another time. What I think we're gonna do is we're just gonna go there. Custom. Construct. No. That's what we're gonna do. We will do a custom event, and we're gonna say, first of all, what is the throwable? We're gonna need a name. And its class. Actor class. Okay, so on this HUD, access throwables. Yeah, all we're gonna do is we're gonna need an animation. So where's my animation window? Animations. Okay. Let's have fade in, like not a fade in, but like a swipe in. So new animation. Animation will be. It's a good word. Not fade. I don't want fade. Let's say support slide in. And all we're going to do is we're going to get you. So we get the box, and we're going to add. What do we add? How do we add? Yep, transform. Background. Okay. So by default, we're going to have you over here, maybe about there. So we'll key you in there. And I think I only want it to take like, let's say 0.2 seconds. So 0.2 seconds, we'll have you slide in. Let's just have you slide in like all the way. To like about there. Bam, key in. Well, that completely failed. Can you not move a horizontal box? Is that the issue? What's your problem right now? It's moving the button, but it's not moving the actual button, like the horizontal box itself, you know? I don't want to move the button in the box, I want to move the box. Oh no, because it is the button. Okay, never mind. I messed up. I see. Oh, because I didn't make you a variable. That's probably why. Remove all. Why are you red? Get rid of you. Alright. So, first things first. You're going to be down here. That's where you start. Add... Bam. And then we're going to... Okay, so 844. So we'll bring you all the way up. And we'll set you to 844. And then bam. Slap you in. Fucking why? You mother... I'm moving. Did I miss something here? Ah, I forgot to use the change. Alright, never mind. So we're gonna go 8. Let's say 850. So for the record, I'm gonna slap you about there. Set the transform. Bring you like all the way out, maybe about there. Set the transform. Oh my fucking god. Why are you not working? What's the issue? You know what? Fuck it. Let's go here. Yeah, let's go snapping. Yeah, alright. So let's slap you there. This is where you start. Delete that key. And over here, we're going to just minus till about there. Slap your key in. There we go. I don't know why it didn't want to just move for me. I don't know why it was being a pain. Key just to change channel when it changes. Whatever. But that's what we'll do. We'll add one more in. We'll just throw that in reverse when we need that. So let's add one more. Support menu. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so we've got 16, 80. Alright, let's make a new animation. This will be, oh wait, that was throwable slide in. Support slide in. And I might have one more. I'm gonna have one more. Weapon menu hose. Yep. And we'll just slap you in here. Reload, get on the weapon menu. And you get out of there. Wait, nope, nope. We're just gonna change the name of it. Weapon menu button. What are you? Throwables button? Get out of here. Access throwables button. That's fine. There should be a heal button. Yep. You go onto the support menu. We're gonna add some padding. Padding will be like 20. I think sprint. Maybe we just won't have a sprint. I'm gonna leave it there on the off chance I decide I want to use it at some point, but maybe I'll just chuck it in the top corner. But I think all these guys, I might actually just scale them up. Okay, so size, let's say like 1200 by 150. We'll do that for all of them. Actually, we will keep them where they are. Maybe like there. 1600. Nope. Yeah, we'll go 1700. That'll do. Okay, on throwable slide in. That'll do. Support slide in, and you should be weapons. Weapon support. Throwables. But I want to add some spaces. And the spacer, maybe we just say like 100. Yeah. Just so that we can't see the buttons on the screen, you know. Alright. So let's finish the animations. So we got throwables, you're ready. Support slide in, which is actually weapons slide in now. Weapon menu, no, not button, weapon menu horizontal. So we're going to get you, we're going to say get the transform, and we're going to go like bam. So with this one, how far did you go? Okay, let's just make this like minus 900. Actually, minus 1000. That's nice. Nice round number. So you, I think we'll do the same. Yep. Slap a key in there. And last but not least, we'll do one for you. And this will be support slide in. And we'll add one for support menu. Good translation, minus 1000. Alright, there we go. We can slap that, and now we can start working with this a bit. Okay, so weapon menus, we're going to say, when you press this, do I have, where's the animations? Animations. So we'll get weapon slide in, play animation. Okay. I need to let's say weapon open, support open, and the last one was, what was the last one? Throwables open. Okay, so if the ooh, maybe what I should do is say like, okay, so weapon open, this is gonna be, I don't want to make it messy, that's my only issue. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to bring you all down here. You guys are going to be handled down here a bit. Let's handle this in some functions. Let's just say close weapon, close throwable, close support, open weapon, open throwable, open support. So I think what we will do is we'll go, so if we hit this, weapons open, forward, if weapons open is false, then play it forward. If it's true, play it in reverse. And start at 0.2. We can test that with a weapon menu. We just test that. But it might not work. Also, I can see them on the screen. So my spaces have already failed their job. So the spaces are now going to be 200. 150. Oh wait. That's fine, yeah, because we're not setting this. So by default, yes, we do want that to be false. False. I should set you to true. It just sort of snaps back, which is what we don't want. I think it's only 0.2 seconds, right? So if it's not open, then it plays 0 forward. Should play in reverse, start at time, say 0.5, see how it looks. Not quite. weapons slide in. Yeah, it should just... I'm not sure why this is always a pain. Maybe -1, maybe that'll fix. We want it playing -1, right? You know, I really... 1, play it forward, start time 0, but we're just gonna make more animations. That's the easier way. Weapons slide out. So instead, you're gonna start at -1000, and you're going to go to 0. So, weapons slide out. Slide in, slide out. What is the point of like having it in reverse if it never actually works? You know, I understand it's there to be like more efficient, make it work better. You know, instead of doing this twice in reverse, like I just had to, you just tell it, hey, go the opposite direction, and it'll do its thing. Unless, I wonder, because the one thing I didn't do was, if I go weapon slide in, if I say forward but playback speed is 0. -1, I wonder if that would work. Because if I do forward, back reverse, but then -1, wouldn't that technically be forward? Yeah, see, it doesn't work. Doesn't work. Remove those options. They just create confusion. Slide out. Weapons slide out. Okay. What's next? What's next? I was going to do that for all 3 of them. So on the throwables, when you press U, we're going to do the same. So throwables, sorry, my brain is just, it keeps stalling because I'm thinking of other things. No, throwables. Okay, say throwables. We're going to say throwables slide in, slide out. Throwables slide in. But also, we're going to do 2 checks. We're going to be like, weapon open. Okay, so if the weapon is open, then we're going to be like, true, close weapon. False, do nothing. If it's false, then we're going to check yeah, okay. I forgot how to duplicate for a moment. We'll check if support is open. That's slide out. We should be doing this down here. Okay, so open throwables. If weapon is open, close weapon. If support is weapon, close support. And that's it. Close that. Okay. So now we're going to do the same up here. Because we only want one open at a time. So if it's open, false, then we're going to open it up. So we're going to say weapon is open, and now we're going to check if throwables is open. Throwables is open, then close throwable. Also, we don't need open, we don't need open, we don't need open. Alright, excellent. And then we're going to do it one more time for the support, right? I haven't done support. Yes, I haven't done support. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna go throwables, support. Set support, set support. Support slide in, support slide out. Okay, and then we're gonna check, yeah, we'll check if weapon is open. Because if weapon's open, close weapon. Support, nope, throwables. If throwables is open, then close throwable. Yep, close weapon, yep, that's fine. Now what we're gonna do is copy you, say close throwable. That's what we're doing. Slide in, support. And the last one, I don't think I closed weapon, right? Yeah, there's weapon. Slide out. And we'll just do a quick test. Okay, so we open weapons, we can access our weapon information, close open support, throwable. That's what we want. I think what I'll also do is, because these all should be variables, horizontal variable. Support hose. For each. Visible. Yes, visible. Set you to hidden, but we're gonna go weapon menu, throwables. And then we'll do the same here. Bam, bam. Visible. The last one should be the support. So we'll come to support. Nope. Support. Support. And we'll do the same in these, where we will set you. Okay, so this is weapon, so we'll get the weapon. Nope. Weapon hose. Set you to hidden. Close throwable. Throwables, yes, amazing. Hidden. And then the last one will be support. Set hidden. And let's say delay, and because we're gonna need a second or two for it to like load up its information, and then we'll just set all three of them to go through this, because we want them all hidden. That way we don't have to worry about seeing them off screen with different screen sizes. So hidden, hidden, hidden. We'll go support menu, weapon menu, and of course last is horizontal. So we have some children in there already. Oh, I forgot that. We want all except for the first one. I could easily, it wouldn't take much for me to put in an example, or I'm just wondering if it's worth my time right now. This is less than, let's say, 1. True, then set it to hidden. If not, leave it be. And we're just going to do that for all of them. false. We want it to be false. With body, false, go there. Okay, now we're gonna go through and do this for every last one of them. False. Any more? Any more? Yep, I missed you. Oh, wait. And I messed up again. False. If we're setting them to visible, we don't want to do it. So the visibility ones, nah. Wait. Wait, we are doing that. Okay, fine. It might be working now. No, it won't be working now. Because we didn't set it in the close buttons, did we? Okay, so shouldn't be able to see any of those. But we can see them. I can see you. Also, the throwables one is broken. So what I want to do is go close throwable, because it's probably this one. Slide out. Yeah, it's fine. So maybe it's this one. Throwables. Slide in, slide out. Yeah, I'm not sure what your issue is. Is it just in here that is broken? Is it like 900? Yeah, the issue was that like the animation itself was broken. Alright, so for the record, we could go through here. Visible, hidden. I don't even think it's working. But it doesn't really need to work. Let's just not even bother with that. Hidden, hidden, hidden. Oh, this is close support, right? Yeah, so this is supposed to be support. Close weapon, yep, weapon, throwable, throwable, yes, support, support. So, support, slide in, support, support, throwable, 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 weapon, weapon, weapon. It's busted the first time. Doesn't reload have one as well? Yeah. Alright, so if I hit reload, like if I hit the weapon, weapon slide in, open, that's fine. But we come here, come down here, yeah, it's supposed to be visible. Doesn't really matter, we don't need to add that, we could just say all of you are visible. But also with this one, the support one, come down here, slide out, oh yeah, you're supposed to be hidden. Did I make that mistake up here with you? No, hidden, visible. You're supposed to be hidden here though. No wait, you're supposed to be visible here. Yeah, we close you. Hidden. Hidden, hidden, yes. Okay. If it doesn't work now, I'm just deleting that hiding system. Why did you work then? Why did you work if I open you while another one is? Slide in, visible. Oh, okay. Because these falses, they're not going anywhere. And you would have one too, wouldn't you? Okay. Because if they're both false, and I'm opening correctly, like I should be, then those are failing every time. Fair enough. Yeah, so it hides the buttons when I close it, and it shows them when they show up. So we're going to reload. That one's fine. Okay. Now we're going to get more weapon functionality. So, what was I doing? What was on the list to be done? Oh, yeah, okay. So let's, Matt's box. Let's add a button. We've got support button. Do we have text? We do have text. Support information. Okay, so throwable, we're going to get the support information. We're going to say set text. Convert you. And I'm going to have a class. Subclass. Alright, simple. And when this button gets pushed, we're going to I'll go to the toilet. In the actors, we're going to have some support. I'm back. Let's make a new blueprint class, and this is going to be like going to have a few support summoner. I want to support Summoner because this might just be middlemaning it, you know? The easy way to do this, I think, the better way, would be let's make no, not an interface, a structure. And we're going to have different support types. No. We want a new enumerator. And this is going to be support type. Because we're going to have two. Flare based and setup. Because I can think of two that we've got. So the usable is going to have a support type, and that's going to be support, not type. Type of support, and we'll just save that as a variable. Okay. I might just always throw a flare anyway. But let's get a flare. Let's get a flare, I think. I think I already had the flare. No flares. We'll just use the support actor. The support actor will always have a flare. Let's get two going. Maybe a supply support. It's just like a resupply. So we're gonna go support name. Let's say resupply. Well, this is the let's say timer, and we'll make this just like a float. Begin play. Maybe we'll have like a projectile. Maybe not projectile. I completely forgot how all my grenades have always worked in games. But I have been going for like a couple hours now, so I think I might take a bit of a break anyway. I need a bit of a nap. But we will finish it tonight. I'll open up one of my other projects and check out the grenades.